If you consent, the police can search. Hi, I'm Andrew Felucci. I'm your Virginia traffic and misdemeanor attorney. I deal with this issue, it seems like, almost every day, where someone contacts me after being charged with possession of marijuana, for example. They were pulled over, the police said, "Hey, do you have anything illegal in your car? Do you mind if I search?" And the person agrees. If you consent to the search by the police, we cannot challenge the search. We can't argue that the police didn't have a legal reason to search because you gave them permission. If you don't give the police permission to search, then it's up to the Commonwealth to establish that it was a legal search, that they had probable cause to execute a search of that vehicle. Now, in some cases, the police may have probable cause, and it may not matter what you say in the grand scheme. They may be able to prove easily that they had every reason in the world to search, and it may be a legitimate search. But you're not an attorney, and even if you are, it's hard to think about the whole case neutrally from the judge's perspective on the side of the road. Even if I was pulled over and asked, "Can I search your vehicle?" it would be hard for me to think about, do the police have probable cause to search? Now, I don't carry around illegal things in my car, but it's still a difficult thing for you to determine, sitting there on the side of the road, is this a case where I should consent or not? Do I have anything illegal in my car? Do I have something they might think is illegal or they might not want to see? And then also, you don't know what information they have. You don't know if someone called you in, for example, and told the police something. You don't know what they may have seen when they were approaching your car and shining their light in the back seat of your vehicle. All of these are reasons why, when you're pulled over, and if you're asked by the police to search your vehicle or search your person or your backpack, simply say no. You don't have to be rude about it. In fact, you should be very polite about it. But if you consent, they can search. The best policy is to say no to searches.